What's up, traders? Just wanted to go over a trade from Thursday into Friday, on Gamestop. Gamestop had a good run, hit the bottom Bollinger Band here around 115, 120. Then next day went up in the open as high as about $400 for a gain of about, let's calculate that. 400 divided by 115 minus 1 times 100 is about, the stock went up about 247%. And so if we look at an option for that expired Friday, I found one here, a 310 call. Could have got it around, let's say, 800. Let's see, the low was actually around 300. But if you didn't get the bottom, you got maybe 800. You could have sold it for 12,000. Probably most likely at the open. That's a 1,400% gain on GameStop. So let's see what else this stock has to offer for this week, and good luck. And I'll try to review other short squeeze stocks. Good luck.